Alrighty guys, so I've got something a little bit different here for you. Today we are going to make beer. Picked up the Mr. Beer craft beer kit on Amazon. It's going to be the very first time I've used something like this. I've never used a little mail order kit, and figure I'd share with you guys how that goes. Alrighty guys, so next I'm just going to do a fairly quick unbox here, see what's in there. This is my first time to open it as well. So, we've got the keg as promised. Looks like there's quite a few things inside the keg, so we might have to open that separate. And then in the bottom of the box, looks like we got the individual bottles for bottling. And is there something inside of here? Yes, it's actually fairly heavy. I'm assuming this is going to be the malts, yeah. So we've got 2, maybe 3 malts in there. Best before date. Another channel had recommended something about the best by date, and they had an issue. So looks like we've got a little bit of time on the best by date, and looks like some other instruction papers in here. Register, get 20% off. That's probably worth investigating. Looks like some labels for the beer bottles. And some other documents. So let's throw the bottles back in there. Pop open the keg here. So inside the keg we have caps for the bottles. Carbonation drops. Oop. Another carbonation drop. Another bottle. Looks like the taps for the keg. And then a couple other pieces here. The no rinse cleanser. Alrighty guys, so first thing it asked me to do is put this little keg thing on there. Dog is messing up the tripod stand. And when it says to do it, put the tapered end so it faces the keg. This goes in here. And then after that, we'll clean it. I'm going to save you the cleaning thing. If you want to watch people clean the keg, go watch the other guys' videos, and you can see that done. But you don't want to see me cleaning stuff. It's pretty boring. Alrighty. The tap is on. Alrighty guys, so basically making the wort was pretty quick and easy. Boiled the water that it recommended, which was 4 cups, and then you add the malt, which already contains the hops and everything. And then you pour it into here. You can kind of see it's kind of a muddy looking mess in there. That muddy mess is going to be tasty though. So I've got most of the water in there. It says to fill it up to the second line right here, which is number 2. So we're about a little bit above, somewhere between the 1 and the 2, just a little bit underneath of that. And then from there, it's waiting. Alrighty guys, so got the water level up and got it stirred in there as it requested. Next is adding in the yeast. Benchmade to open that up. And it says to just let it float on the top, so quick view of the yeast and pour it in there. Alrighty, I guess at this point, we'll see you in a few weeks.